Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the iClever HS01 kids headphones. As we can see, the front of the package has the iClever and kid headphones branding on the top, and we can see an image of the product right here. We can see that it uses a 3.5mm jack and it has an inline microphone, and its overall design can be seen as well. On the right hand side of the package is where we can see some of the key specifications. Let's go through them one by one. Here we can see that the headphones have been designed to be comfortable for kids. It has an inline microphone. The headband is made out of durable materials, and it has a maximum volume of 94 decibels. Basically, it has been kept at that maximum volume to protect the kids' ears. On the left hand side of the package, we can see some more details regarding the product, like its model number, which is HS01. We can also see some manufacturing and importing details. And at the bottom, we have the website for the iClever brand. On the back of the package is where we can see some more specifications, like its adjustable headband, memory foam earmuffs, and the design is cat inspired. Here are some more technical specifications. Let's go through them one by one. It has an impedance of 32 ohms with variance of plus or minus 15%. It has a distortion of less than 4%. It has a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. And the audio cable's length is 1.2 meters or 4.7 feet. Right here we can see a barcode, and over here we can see some of the recycling information. There's nothing on the top or bottom of the package. So this is about it on the outside of the package. Let's get into it now. What we get is some reading material. Here we have a quick start guide to get you started with using the headphones correctly. And coming to the headphones themselves, we can see that it has a matte rubberized finish all around, and the cat ears are made from silicone. Obviously, it's the pink color variant that we have. We can see some iClever branding on the headband, and we can see it here as well. The ear pads themselves are adjustable and quite soft. The cable is flat and pretty long with a 3.5mm audio connector. Basically, the flat cable would help keep the tangles away and be useful in storage. Here we have the inline remote with one button to answer or reject calls. We have the microphone right in the middle, and we have the volume control. The volume control is in the form of a slider. In terms of the headband, we can see that it is pretty flexible and robust. So kids using them roughly should not be a problem. We know that the cable is 1.2 meters long. So let's verify that. And yes, it is 120 centimeters or 1.2 meters. This was the unboxing of the iClever HS01 kids headphones. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.